So this one will be about Bird. This good old feller has a big pumper. His Portobello is known all over the county. He is known for doing a great job plugging distressed tires. Therefore the only thing we call him is the Portobello Plugger. This man is set to retire soon with a police song in his head that has some lyrics like you don't have to put on the red light. With an ancient dog perched by his side, they ride the ride. To be such a great cook is a blessing, as well as enjoying good conversation and telling stories. Whatever you do, don't make him mad. Like old Leatherface, the busybody, that early Friday morning, the Portobello stands tall every day with hurtful noises in the restroom, country music, ballet. Whatever you do, don't make him mad. Like old Leatherface, the busybody, that